Hi, I'm Natalie from Print Party, and today I want to show you my new invitation suite and everything you can do with it. For the invitation, you have three choices. You can use it as a 5x7, just like this, with a beautiful pattern printed on the back. You have your choice of this arrow pattern or a heart pattern, and you can also line your envelope with either pattern. The full sheet is available in the set, and you'll be able to cut it to the exact size of your envelope. Now, this is great, but what if you want to use a tri-fold? With a tri-fold, you have two options. You can use the invitation with a backing, like this one, which you would glue inside your tri-fold, or you could use it without a backing. You would glue it directly in the tri-fold pockets. Now your tri-fold comes with pockets, and the set comes with several options for your tri-fold pocket. So the two taller cards come in either detail or direction, and then you have hotels, or you have another details card. You have two RSVP cards, one with number attending, one without. Then you have a website card, which means with all these cards, you can stack them all kinds of different ways. If you wanted not have hotels, but just RSVP and website. If you wanted to have direction and hotels and RSVP and website. So you're really able to customize it to what you really want for your wedding. Now these cards, go ahead and stack inside the pocket of the tri-fold. You would have this glued in, then you would close it and you would put a band. The set also comes with a seal, which you can type and customize it with your initials. Here you go. You would put this whole beautiful invitation inside your envelope. And the envelope also comes with its own label that you can print. Okay, so let's say you don't want to use a tri-fold, but you still like the look of a jacket. In the set, you will find the pattern to cut this jacket out of any colored cardstock you'd like. Then you put in the invitation, you glue it inside, you fold the flaps over. Now you could just take the seal and put it over here with a couple of glue dots, or you can use the whole sleeve. And here we go. Now that you have this amazing invitation, let's wow your guests with matching decorations at the wedding. That's why this complete set comes with all kinds of extras to make your wedding that much more special. It comes with place cards, table number cards, and banner cards. You can print any letter you want and create fantastic banners anywhere at your wedding. Also comes with a menu card and a program card. You also have favor tags for your favors, Hershey Kisses labels just for fun. And my favorite are those 2-inch round cutouts, because you can print any letter you want and make little banners like this one for cards at your wedding. Also comes with a Mr. and Mrs. and it comes in 3 different designs. And because you need to say thank you to your guests, the set comes with a thank you card. Everything you need for your special day in one set.